We have division. We have decimal number 7.2 divided by 9. Always the number by which we divide must be whole number. In this example we have whole number. We have 7.2 divided by 9. So first we have 7. We have to check the first digits, 7 and 9. How many times you can put 9 to 7? 0. So on the top we have to write 0. And what next? We have to do multiplication. 0 times 9 is 0. So next we have to do subtraction. 7 minus 0 is 7. What next? We have to take up decimal point exactly in the same column we have decimal point, and we have to take next digits down. So this is 2. 2 will go down. So we have 72 divided by 9. How many times we can put 9 to 72? 8. So we have to write on the top answer. 8 times 9 is 72, and we have to do subtraction. 72 minus 72 is 0. So we finish long division, and our solution is 0.8.